Hello traders, Lord Ray with HighToneCrypto.com, your number one source for cryptocurrency technical analysis and blockchain education in this live stream, episode 38 of Crypto and Chill. God, guys, can you believe we've done 38 episodes? You know, we're not even talking about day streams, we're talking about night streams. So, thanks so much for being here. Easter night, April Fool's night, you could call it. So, Bitcoin, hey, it's been popping a little bit since that nasty break we had last night down to 6,400. But we're already back up, guys. So, maybe we broke out of some sort of downward sloping channel, but we'll find out. Okay, guys, so we're looking at Bitcoin, just the 1 hour chart right now. We got the wedge zoomed out. Getting in closer though, getting a little bit more intimate with Bitcoin. Looks like, ooh, so, you know, on this chart right here, I guess, see, it gets a little skewed because you're tripping through different scales, so it messes with your chart. So if we make this pretty much as perfect as we can, good perfect touches here, it seems like we're still. Hey Twiggy the Twixter, man, thanks so much for the sub on YouTube, man. You real Jesus, dude. We can do that, man. You got any questions about TS up in the chat in Discord, man? Thanks so much, Twiggy Twixter, man. Twiggy Jesus Twixter, man. All right, so it seems to me. Hey HGH Corrito, thank you so much for the follow on Twitch, man. You real Jesus, dude. We can do that, man. You got any questions about TS up in the chat in Discord, man? Thanks so much, KGH Corito, man. You real Jesus, Corito. All right, so just based on making this perfect, it seems like we're at the very top, right near a critical resistance. Hey, that's okay. That's fine. The way we're developing this pattern right here, we may have a very good chance of breaking to the upside, maybe possibly breaking out of this. And the reason I say that is just look at the price action, man. So you broke down, you bottomed out, you double bottomed. Huge price increase right here. We whipped off this 20 MA 1, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. We came down one more time. Man, when you get that many wicks, that's just indicating, hey, there are just not enough sellers to drive this price down below this nice pop we had. This buyer's still in this game, right? They're still in it. So couldn't get the prices down lower. Eventually, you get all these wicks. You're going to shoot back up. You're going to shoot to the upside because you're testing the lower prices. You tested for freaking 5 times and you couldn't bring it down, so you're gonna go up. That's what happens, supply and demand. So when we went up, bullish engulfing on this doji, look what we did. We made a bearish inside bar. Now we've made a bullish inside bar, right? So we made a bearish harami. So this is a good bullish sign. Staying lateral. You're not going insane, going straight up. You're consolidating laterally, possibly getting ready to make a move to the upside. Okay, we're definitely 100% going to test this level again and see if we can do that. Based on the way this is looking, we very well could. We're still making, unfortunately, lower highs than our previous highs. This is going to be a key resistance. Once again, we've already failed twice. See how we failed 3 times here and broke down? If we fail a couple more times, you know where we're going, guys. You know how it is. It's price action dictates everything. All these wicks tell us so much about where the prices may be going next. So we're going to keep our eye on it. No big deal. But something I saw on the daily that I don't think anyone's going to like. Okay, so something I don't like. Okay, guys. Let me get rid of this real quick for you. Do you see? This was the February 5th low. This is where the body of the candle's closed. Nice double bottom, tweezer action, right? This is why I drew this trend line here. Or this horizontal line. Now we look right. What have we done? We came down, we tested it initially, then we broke it. What chart was I looking at then? Hold on. So looking at Bitfinex? Yeah, hold on. Let me show you what I was looking at on Bitfinex. This is a little different. It's a little off, right? It's not the same at all. Here we go. So look, trend line here. You look right. We broke. We hooked off of it, and then we had, this is a daily, a bearish engulfing candle after that. Currently now, though, we're completely rejecting this break, hook, and go pattern. We've already broken back up to the upside, which is fine. And again, this is 24 hours. Each candle represents that. So maybe we contradict this completely, but nevertheless, break, hook, and go pattern on the daily, off this trend line, seemed pretty important to me. So, but different exchanges, different strokes, different folks. So, it's what it is. Give me one sec. Check this out. Yep. I mean, just like on the other charts. Class A, bullish divergence, right? You made a low way up here. And you made a... Hey, HGH, Carito, thank you so much for that sub on Twitch, man. You were Jesus, dude. We couldn't do it that shit. Dude, that really means a lot, man. Thank you so much for that sub. Any contribution you make to the stream only increases the value and the quality that we produce. So thanks again, KGH Carito. You Jesus, man. So, you know, with that being said, a day is a long time. We could wick off this once again, test it again. But you know, this is probably, if you're a bear, you probably don't like seeing this. But again, we got a long way to go. Many hours for this to move around, chop around. So, okay. Anyway, we're gonna move on to Litecoin. Here we go, man. Looking great. This is what we want to see. Double bottom. Guys, double freaking bottom. Looking really nice. When you made that double bottom, you came up, you consolidated bullishly after the bullish move. Now you broke to the upside once again. Okay. Now this 117.87 level, very important support. You need to hold that if you want to see higher prices. If you break to the upside, you come over here, test, fail, come back down here, you can test it, keep hooking off of it, and then break to the upside once again. But we know our critical resistance zone is within the 122 to 124 area, right? We have the bodies of our candles that are well within this, as well as the wicks. This is a battleground area for our bulls and bears, okay? So right now, we could be smooth sailing up to these levels. But nevertheless, got our work cut out for us. But it looks like right now, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum might be making some moves up. Yeah, so that's about it. RSI on the 1 hour looks fine. You know, it's more of a bullish on the RSI. 64, that's good. That's what you want to see. You still haven't made. So let's show you this. I'll just use this. Still haven't reached the previous levels of positive momentum, but I could see that happening. Guys, look at Litecoin. Litecoin's moving, guys. Looking really good. That means Bitcoin right now is moving up. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's go back. Very interesting. This is great news. It's really not. It's not really doing that much. Litecoin's moving kind of on its own right now. That's weird. Cool. Ethereum. Hello. Hey, man, that's cool. Got a nice little movement going on with Ethereum. Evidently, we have broken. Look, we had 2 downward sloping trend lines, multiple touch points. Valid wedge if I've ever seen one. And yeah, man, breaking out of it. We broke it. Didn't really hook that well, but we hooked here, and now we're moving to the upside, which is fine. That's great. Good things to see, man. Good things to see. And honestly, you could probably do something like this. Not really, never mind. You can't do that. I don't know. I mean, if that's the case, my god, that's an insane freaking wedge, dude. Insane freaking wedge. Maybe more like this. Just because you go from here to here. Right, so we'll see what happens. We're moving, though. We are moving that to Jesus right now. Got a long way to go, though. You know, our pretty much we're going to have a resistance up here at 396, right? That will be played. Like we've seen it already multiple times now. Right here, it's going to be resistance. If you can break that somehow, that's a resistance too. So 387 and then 394. 2 levels that you have to break above. Man, that looks Tremendous. Honestly, man. Is this a neckline? Is that a freaking neckline, dude? Oh, man. Guys, we could have a good night. Very well could have a good night, man. Price action similar to head and shoulders pattern. Despite anything you want to say, we had a low here. We broke down. We tested these levels 3 times. Huge bullish engulfing candle. The bears tried everything. We topped down up here, this resistance. We tried everything in our power as a bear to move this price lower. We were unable to do that. It matched the left shoulder, this right shoulder. And now we're testing this neckline like to Jesus, man. There's a very good chance with this type of price action that we will be seeing higher prices very soon. Very, very soon. Like this type stuff. This is very bullish price action. That looks great. Oh yeah, I mean that's really nice. We'll see what happens, man. We will see what happens. Cool, very cool. Check out chat, guys. Scroll all the way up. I haven't even looked at it. Sorry, we've just been going, man. Hey, Jens, thanks for tuning in on Periscope. Tack Hammer, thanks so much. Hope you had a good Easter, man. Brendan, good seeing you, man. Everything Crypto. I hope you're having a good one, man. I celebrate, absolutely. I do celebrate. Matthew Evans, man, good evening. Wandering Being, hello. Good evening, Jeff. Omar. Hey, I hate Windows. Good morning to you in Germany. I hope it's going well over there. It's going well over here. Wicked Trader, hello. MK Hani. Can we see bear flag on crypto? Bitcoin 1 hour. Not seeing a bear flag, man. Not at all. Seeing bullish consolidation after a nice little run up. That's what I see. Very, very zoomed in. Also with Ethereum, the same thing, man. Same thing. Good seeing you, Everything Crypto. Imaris, how's Twitch treating you, man? You twitching, man? Nano and BTZ killing you right now? Yeah, man. They'll do that. They're just altcoins. Altcoins will do that to you. BLZ are killing you, man. Is it me or is it lagging? I don't know, guys. Someone tell me if it's lagging. ONT? Sure. Everything Crypto? No problem, man. Neo? Sure. Oh my god. Of course. Of frickin' course, man. God. It's like I normally go to the bathroom or something, you know, before I go live like literally while the starting soon happens, and then I completely forget and it screws everything up. Sorry about that, guys. My god. John Thomas, welcome. Serendipity, welcome. User, how you doing, man? TRX broke out crazy. There was an announcement of partnership with Apple. Wicked Trader, I'm gonna take you at your word, man, because you've not given me a reason to believe you're trolling. Put TRX on the list though, man. That's great, man. That's great. We had a video on Tronics talking about what had to happen. EOS, OMG, Michael. Okay. Can you form a bear flag off that pole? Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I was just really delayed on chat. Awesome, Porch View. Thanks so much for the compliment, man, on the Musica. The Musica. April Fools. Scratch that one out. Just kidding. B&B bed and breakfast coin, Imaris. Imaris wants bed and breakfast coin, guys. What are your rates? Draw a bear flag off that pole. Okay. What's up, Cam? Good to see you, man. F11, yeah, guys, you can see how lagged I am. Yep. Sorry. Hey, FX inversionist. Wow. Good to see you, man. What's up, Crypto Chef XVG? Sure, man. Oh man, you took some profit. You're smart. You're a smart man. Stream lagging? Oh my god, is it really lagging? Hold on. Something is lagging you. Any programs in the background? No, there are no programs in the background. I'm getting a new computer on freaking Monday. Tomorrow, guys, I'm getting a new computer. And is it that bad? Mission Control, tell me, please. That would mean a lot. Lots of chop. Go figure. Yeah, it's trash PC, man. yeah, might just be cutting it short again tonight, just because trash PC is trash. Of course it is. What's up, Scary Terry? Thanks for being here. Jules, thanks for being here. All right, what's up, Dan? I'm not lagging, no lag. The lag comes and goes. Yeah, it's like when I move. It's like when I do this, it probably freezes because it's pathetic. Yeah, oh, I'd hope so with the audio. Blood pressure just like spikes when we have technical difficulties like this. Alright, keep your eye on Ethereum. Looks really good right here, but nevertheless, we can't find the buyers to break this neckline. We will be seeing lower prices, but I'm telling you, this is a very good looking setup that we currently have, okay? Nano? You were just barely choppy in the video. Oh man, I can't wait until I never have to use this PC again. So happy. Spent so much money on this new one. My god. Oh, Nano. You know, it's like, it's fine on the bottom. I mean, maybe, but it hasn't made a higher high yet. And so you don't want to ever jump the gun on stuff like this until you see a higher high than your previous high and a higher low than your previous low. And you're not really doing that yet. So I would still hesitate on this coin. I would not do anything with it. I would not buy this at all. I will tell you this. I mean, like, look. Ah, man, I don't like that at all. I really don't like that crap. Like, what is that, man? Complete rejection? Give me a break, dude. No way. I mean, like, no way, man. Like, screw that. What a joke. Probably bear pole, bear flag, and you said this stupid low volume crap. I mean, like, oh my god, guys, we're going to the moon, and then dumped. Don't buy into this crap. I mean, look, it was a trade, right? It was like, hey, we got to these levels that we were at before, okay? And so traders stepped in and said, okay, all right, we're buying low, then it spikes up. Nice guy from Lizella, man. Thank you so much for the $10 contribution, man. It means so much, dude. Man, you're quite generous. Dude, it means a lot, and couldn't do it without you. Wouldn't do it without you. You to Jesus, man. You ever have any questions, man? Just hit me up, PM me, hit me up in the chat right here. If you have a coin request, just let me know, man. You know that contribution only increases the value and quality of this content that we are producing for you. Thanks again, dude. You Jesus, man. So, yeah, I just think bear pole, bear flag. Look, and we were just talking about someone was buying low, and then they sold high. We already had these levels here, these resistant. Look, you see what I'm saying? An experienced trader, they'd buy down here. After they sold, they saw this little bottom here, a couple wicks here, still buying down. You get another opportunity to buy down here, and then they bought. A lot of people bought, and then little FOMO came in, and traders just started pouring into it. And then you hit this level. Everyone had their limit cells set up, and it even went higher. It almost went to this next level. People had their limit cells here, and then boom, complete rejection, lower high, coming back down to these levels here. But right now, at this point, you're forming a bear flag. So just be careful. Be careful with this. And oh my god, it just looks disgusting, man. This doesn't look good at all. You don't want to fall below these levels, man, at all. Okay, man. That's it. Just no, don't buy this. Do not buy this right now. Please don't. If you value your money, just hold off. Wait for a better opportunity. Juan Jimmy? Sure, man. Hope you enjoying this music. Of course, XRP Dan. Of course, dude. Guys, if you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, hit that bell, hit that sub. Y'all to Jesus, man. can. Everything crypto. That's it. It doesn't matter what chart it is, man. I fear no chart. I will analyze any chart known to man. Okay, everything crypto. XLM, of course, Jolly. Anything for you, man. Of course, man. Well, you're in Sweden, right? Livestream lit. Not quite, man. We just never been where we were before, ever. So, okay. So, yeah, hold off on Nano. Gonna go into ONT, man. ONT. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, dude, look at that. Wow. Great stuff, man. So, currently, you know, we haven't quite made it back up to this level. We said that we may be forming some sort of ascending triangle action, okay? And we're not holding above this 30,612 level at all. That's weird. We knew that'd be a resistance just because of here, right? But yeah, nevertheless, it looks like we might have some consolidation going on. Hey, Pseudo Idol, man. Thank you so much for the sub on Twitch, man. You real Jesus, dude. We couldn't do it without you, man. You got any questions about TA? Just from the chat in the Discord, man. Thank you so much, Pseudo Idol. You Jesus, man. Sweet, man. Thanks a bunch, dude. Means a lot. But, you know, the thing is, I don't know, like, I mean, you had a couple nice moves. You're making a higher low than your previous low. You might just be consolidating to make the next move up. But nevertheless, your support is ascending, upward sloping, right? Stay above that. You have accumulation. You really want to come hit these levels again. 33,939. You hit these levels again. Hey, that's just establishing. We know there's a sell wall up here. We know there is one. But it would bode well if we could run back up here and touch it again. We'll come back down. That's fine. And then test this level once again, and then go to the moon, break out. It would establish accumulation, right? In an uptrend, which an ascending triangle in an uptrend is just a bullish continuation pattern. So we'll see it happen, man. We're not quite there. There's a spider on my wall, guys. That's kind of scary. Should I just leave him alone? What should I do? Should I kill him? Or should I leave him alone, man? It's like going behind pictures and stuff, man. Oh, boy. I don't know, man. Just don't fall below this level, man. You really don't want to do that, okay? 618, 28,098 Satoshis. Don't fall below that. You know what happens if you fall below these levels? It will be a nasty drop down to 21,950 Satoshis. Guys, put it in my cup and drink it. I love spiders, so just leave it alone. Kill it. Hey Cam, PM me, man. PM me in Discord, and I'll hook you up some literature, some rhetoric, some things to learn things. Radiagens. Man, it's not a big spider. It's just probably kills things, right? That I would kill anyway. Alright, so if you were in on this run and you're long here, I would set a stop loss up below this 26,600 level. 26.6, right? Right here. In between this level, you do not want to fall lower than that. You will come down. I'm telling you. These bull runs are amazing until they stop. And when they stop, man, they show forms of weakness, it's over. It's over. Don't even second guess it. Get out. You made a great profit if you were in this run. Just don't lose your capital. Don't lose your gains Shoot. It's gone. Maybe it killed itself. We don't have to worry about it. Alright, so be careful on these runs. Have a stop loss, no matter what. I don't care what you think is going to happen. Have a stop loss. Neo. Raptor was talking about some sort of falling wedge action on Neo. Was he to Jesus? Kappa? Put it outside. That's the best. That's probably the best alternative, man. Hey, Vikingham, man, thanks so much for the follow on Twitch, man. You were G's, dude. We couldn't touch, man. You gonna go to Discord, man? TA superpowers if I eat it. So I should either eat it, let it outside, or flush it. It's on my shoulder. Twitch lags back to... Yeah, man. It's probably my PC, man. Don't get mad at Twitch. It's okay. Dude, I mean... Hey... Whew. Critical level of support right here, I'll tell you that, despite anything you may think. Yeah, it looks like kind of like a wedge in a way. I don't know, man. Look at that, dude. I mean, we're talking... This kind of stuff right here, man, that is not bullish. That is very bearish. These little double top crap shoot. Look, I mean, it's like trader's dream stuff, right? You have a resistance level up here, and you fell out of this this upward sloping trend line that we thought may have been accumulation, but it turned out to be folly. It was wrong. When we broke out, we said have a stop loss. And your stop loss triggered, and we broke down even further, and here we are at this critical support. That's just not stuff you want to see. Below all 3 MAs. I wonder if we'll hit this level, right? This was an amazing buy here, right? We already had this plotted right here. That was an incredible buy. But nevertheless, my God, man, freaking me out, man. This music. I mean, you could take a shot at it if you want, but and you know, Bradford was talking about wedge stuff. I mean, maybe, yeah, but then again, on the 4 hour, is it going to be a wedge? I don't know. I mean, look, we'll draw a trend line here. We'll attempt to draw a trend line before we get wrecked. Sweet, man. That doesn't work. You don't really get the touches, man. You don't get any freaking touches this way. Just don't touch. Man, what in the world am I listening to? There's not enough, man. There's nothing here. It's like one here. This had to come down more. I don't think it's very valid on my chart. But hey, look, man. I am but one man, one TA man. I mean, I guess I could see you doing this stuff, right? But I don't know. I would look at it with a different point of view, just saying we're at key levels of support. If we break this, we're coming down to 67.56 Satoshis. If you break that, see ya. Bye. Going down to 62.97. Going down to, you know what? Set a limit buy up at 61.01. See what happens. My God. You're finding some levels of consolidation, but still not very strong, so I just don't like this double top crap. This just is bad. This is just showing, hey, look how many times we tried to break to higher prices and there were no buyers, and we failed miserably. Well, that didn't work out. I think it would probably be a wise decision just to hold off and wait. I mean, you know, if you could break this 74.65 level, then you'd be great, man. Hey, you to Jesus, man. You to Jesus, man. You can do that, man. You getting questions about the chat on Discord, man. You Jesus, man. You Jesus, man. You Jesus, man. Thanks, man. Was that good? Oh my God. Let's go to the 4 hour on Nia. I just don't know, man. I mean, you could take a shot, but this could go up one more time, come back down, break the lower prices, or it could break down here. I'm telling you, like, if you're talking about purely trading and stuff, this is your support zone here. Okay? Normally, people that are trading stuff, they will buy down here and they will sell up here. They will short sell up here, and then they will close their short down here. Over and over and over as many times as they freaking can until we break to a lower low, lower high, or whatever, till we break out of one of these zones. Okay? So buying down here, stop loss. I mean, like, really, you're looking to buy down here. We never hit this level yet, which I think there's a good chance we still could. So limit buy up here and a short, tight stop loss here. See if you could bust up here, and this is when you would sell. You'd close your position up here at these resistance areas, these resistance zones. Be to Jesus, man. Sorry, John. I'm sorry you're missing the streams, but you're here now, right? You are amongst friends in this crypto fellowship. Okay, man. Moving on to Tronics. This was the April Fool's joke. I don't know why we're even doing this since we did a lightning analysis on it. Still, looks like it's holding. Looks like it's failing to break above this heart line of this downward sloping channel that we're within. Still above the 200 MA. Your 20 crossed your 50 though. That's not good. 4 hour. Still above the 618, which is fine. But nevertheless, if you don't break this heart line, if you can't get buyers, you're seeing low prices, but this may just be some lateral movement after a bullish move. See if we can break to higher prices, get to the top of this channel. Okay? If you really want an in-depth analysis on Tronics, guys, go check out the lighting analysis on our main YouTube page. We did a lighting analysis on that and Verge today, gave you an update. There's high demand for information on these two coins. So we have to abide, right? Like the dude abides. Oh, hey, lots of our subs and viewers want to see Tron and Verge. Okay, well, I'm not going to give them Nano when they're asking for other coins. When they're asking for Verge and Tron, we're going to give that to them. So there's the spider again, man. One moment, guys. Oh my god, man, are you serious? What in the... What? Oh my god, the music stopped? Are you serious? Go figure, man. Go freaking figure. Wow. So I went to get some toilet paper, and when I got back, the spider was gone. Literally gone. So now I'm like, this whole live stream is going to be about this spider, man. What do I do, man? What do I do? God. Anyway, alright, so 3 wonderful, wonderful trades. All wonderful. Then we had this nasty head and shoulder stuff going on up here. Justin Sun ran his mouth. and screwed your Tronics over, okay? Screwed him over, measure move, and we broke down even way further than that, man. Okay? So, now you are at a very critical point. Very, very critical point. We're going to see what happens. Yeah. My God, man. Are you serious? Guys, little stat for you on the 4 hour. Highest level of negative momentum that you've seen since January 10th, 2018. Do you know what that level was? The great crash of Tronics. You've not seen this level since then. Pretty significant. Something to note and see. That is a lot of selling, guys. A lot of dumping. Not much volume, though. I mean, there's some, but it's not really. I mean, it's your highest level of negative volume you've seen since January 22nd, and that was part of this nasty run here. Whew. So, I mean, there's decent volume. Still on that 200. Got to stay above it. Have to stay above it. If you fall below that, you're in a lot of trouble. So, okay, EOS. One of the darlings, right? One of the darlings. Hey, holding on, man. Holding on. You're back within a battleground area. Okay? Gotta hold. Gotta stay above this. If you fall below this level, you're in a lot of trouble. If I got in on this profit, I would most certainly have a stop loss. Maybe a little below this wick at this point. Because my God, this wick took out probably a ton of stop losses. So maybe have a wick a little below the 50 MA, 79,142 Satoshis. You drop below that area, it could be really fast and it could be really nasty. So just be careful, okay? Get these runs like this, get big corrections. But hey, if you can stay above this battleground area, okay, this resistance zone, support zone, you should be fine. Just hold, we'll be good. Something else to be quite mindful of, okay? You made a high here, you made a higher high. When you made this high, you made extremely high levels of positive momentum. When you made your higher high, you made much lower levels of positive momentum, okay? I'll tell you this, that run you had right up here to make this rising wedge we fell out of, made a measured move like the Jesus man. Highest level of positive momentum since January 20th. So just hold here. Otherwise, you are screwed. Cabo? Alright, that's COS. Short and sweet. OMG. Oh my God coin. Oh my God coin. Oh my Jesus coin. OMJ. So adjust this, man. No one's asked about this in a long time. Wow. Talked about our broadening wedge. Let's readjust that. Oh, look at that. Nope. Sorry, man. No bueno. You're still out of this wedge, though, which is fine. You've never tested it, though. You never hooked. You hooked here. At some point, look, if we can hold this bottom and start coming back out, should be good. But the fact that we broke the wedge is really good. But it could take some time before we break this. Look for an alert. Set up an alert. You know, right around this trend line, right above it, to let you know. Because if you break that, very, very good sign. Could see a nice run. Could see a very nice run. 1392 is a measured move, the broadening wedge. If we ever break out of it, don't know if we ever are, man. Don't know if we will. So, if we break down, well, 1082 was the level. So, let's see. I mean, you're pretty much at your 100% retrace. We had our targets here, but you're just not getting that anymore. Let's get rid of this broadening wedge. I mean, that's what it is. Now we can just do this too, okay? That makes sense too, man. Okay. Be another. Look, you're testing this heart line incredibly well. Lots of respect there. Really high level of volume. Don't know why, but you got your highest level in volume within the past 12 hours. The highest level you've seen since February 28th. Beautiful levels of bullish divergence, your purest form, Class A. Every time you make a lower low, you have lower levels of negative momentum. This is ready to pop, guys. This is really ready to bust out. I'm telling you, this is beautiful right here. 4-hour time scale, looking good, man. Looking good, man. Okay. But look, you have a falling wedge. You break out of the huge falling wedge. You don't break out immediately. Sometimes it takes a long time, but you hooked off of it once. You're gonna see higher prices at some point based on the other indicators that we're seeing. Okay. Really need to get above 50 on the RSI. We're not doing that. We're just like chopping around that 50 area. Right. See, you want to get above 50, man. You just keep use it as resistance. Staying lower. Okay. It'll happen. Keep your eye on OMG. Just keep your eye on it. Don't make lower lows. Just bottom out, make a double bottom, and then bust to the moon, okay? Could very well be happening at some point very soon based on our MACD, what it tells us, our histogram. Great stuff. Good eye, Michael. Good eye. Strat? Aked Wedge Jesus, man? I think Aked's normally sleeping around this time. I think he's over, the pond. Across the pond, man. In Europe. Whew. Look what happens when you extend your wedge trend line from where it was. Whew. Hooking off of it, unbelievable. Are you kidding me, man? Look at this, wicking off of this trend line twice now. That's a good sign. I mean, even though you're reaching the end of it. But at this point, I mean, it's pretty much invalidated, right? So, I don't know, man. Don't give up hope. Don't give up hope, man. For the peoples. You reach this 100% retrace. You're double bottoming here. Okay? Double bottom. Great value in possibly buying here, but gotta be careful. Gotta be really careful. Just because you break this level, you're going to see much lower prices. Much, much lower prices. Let's clean this up a little bit. Gotta clean it up for the kids, guys. Alright, man. This wedge was awesome. This wedge, not so well put together on the 4-hour. Or it's inexistent on the 1 day. It's not real. So. Hold on, man. I feel like I'm in a 1990s, 1980s role-playing game, RPG. All right. So, I mean, beyond that, look, we did make a measured move on this wedge, right? Beautiful. But then we just got this head and shoulders crap. Broke this neckline, busted down. I mean, set up a little horizontal line here for you so you can see it, but nevertheless, man, if you fall below this level, you're gonna have a very, very bad time. This is your support zone. Hit it twice already. But look, I mean, with that being said, the time when it looks so bad and scary is normally the time when you're buying. You buy here and you sell up here, right? But in this case, I don't think that's necessarily true, just because of what's going on. I mean, it's almost just like Bitcoin, is it not? right? It's like this this cup and handle crap. Right here, this little same crap. What were we looking at? What other chart was it? Was it NANO that was just like this? It was a NANO double top and this head and shouldered. So I just... Random Viking Spider. Man, thanks for these the follow on Twitch. Man, you were Jesus, dude. We can do that, man. You got a question about you in the chat, man? No, man. Thanks, dude. I don't know who you are. The Spider. He followed me on Twitch, guys. He found the PC and he saw me doing TA and he subbed, man. Like the Jesus, man. I wouldn't buy this. To me, this is pretty freaking bearish downtrend. And then you have this little handle crap. I'd just be very careful. Just be very, very careful on this stuff, man. See what happens. Good luck on strat. Man, some of these coins are like crap. Forgive me and all my trend lines, guys. I'm pretty crazy, I guess. So, oh, you know, BNB. You know, we had that accumulation, then we broke out of it, and we fell right back down. We had a bear. What was it, man? Bear pull, bear flag, measured move, like the Jesus, man. Perfect measured move down. We bounced off this 200 MA. Now we're trying to break to the upside. Wow. That's really nice looking stuff. Use candlestick mathematics. That almost looks like a freaking 3 rising methods, man. Yeah, no, it's pretty bad, man. The chop is terrible. I know why. I can see it down at the bottom. It says my CPU is like red and stuff. Like there's like a little indicator. It like goes from green to red. Hey, Glenn Gemmin 911, man. Thank you so much for the follow on Twitch, man. You really just do. We can do that, man. You got any questions about TDS in the chat and Discord, man? Thanks so much, Glenn Gemmin, man. Number 1, man. 991912, man. So yeah, look, we'll try to make this simplistic. I don't want to confuse people because every one of these levels is very important. Okay, the fact that you blasted through this one's really nice. Disregarded it, but this one's still really important. You do really need to break above this level. Okay, this is right here, and here, and here. You've got to break above that level and hold above it. But unfortunately, for me, what I kind of see, and I hope I'm wrong, I want to be wrong. I think this is pretty dependent on Bitcoin, but guys, I really hope I'm wrong. But I just, in my opinion, I see another pretty well-established bear flag at this point in time. I mean, bear pull, bear flag, bear pull, bear flag. I love BNB, man. It's like the Jesus coin of making money. But I'm still looking at the chart. It could be any chart. It could be anything. And I'm still going to say, man, that doesn't look good. Bear pull, bear flag. Sorry, man. Don't know what to tell you. Let's see if our MACD tells us anything. Hey, Popcorn Fuel, man. Thanks so much for the follow on Twitch, man. You the real Jesus, dude. We can do that, man. You got any questions about chat? Us in the chat and Discord. There's up in the chat of the Discord, man. Sorry. Sometimes my cadence gets a little messed up, guys. But, you know, I see we bounced off the 200. That's cool, but, you know, unfortunately, we're having some issues, man. We're developing bearish patterns that you don't want to see. We did talk about how we did have quite significant Class A bullish divergence. Purest, best form of divergence, could signify a turning point, but I see that we had that, right? We had that nice move up, but at the end of the day, or at the end of the 4-hour candle, right? End of the day is just an expression. At the end of the 4-hour candles, right into those tweezer double top crap, broke down to lower prices. We're breaking out to the upside again. We're using that key level right here, using it as support, it looks like at this time, but nevertheless, you have to get a higher high than this high. Have to. And honestly, you got to get a higher high than these highs. Way up here, man. That's a long freaking way away. That's a huge feat. If you can do that, man, you're gonna have that 1182. You gotta break that level. I mean, that's so important. But we'll see what happens with these market conditions. If Bitcoin can bust out to the upside, so can BNB. But I digress, and I have to go back with my initial TA and say that we have a bear flag after a bear pull. Unless we contradict the TA, we will be seeing lower prices at some point on BNB. That's it, man. That's it. Sorry. Alright, 8 minutes till the top of the hour. Your local on the 8th is coming up, guys. Let's go to Bitcoin Cash. BCC. I know someone said BCH, but we're just going to look at BCC, okay? Oh man, it's been a minute. Yeah. Huge bear flag stuff. Oh my god, right? This is what we had, really. That's all we had, right? Huge bear pole, huge bear flag. Making that measure move down like inverse Jesus, man. That's disgusting, dude. That's freaking disgusting, Bitcoin Cash. Oh man, but I thought Bitcoin was I thought it was Bitcoin Cash was gonna be it, man. It was gonna replace Bitcoin, man. They added on Bitcoin Cash, man. I bought it at 8,900, dude. Yeah, okay. God, y'all remember all the hype behind Bitcoin Cash? Isn't that the guy, the rapper? Can someone back me up? Can someone get that post of that rapper? What was his name? Lil Windex or something like that? Oh my god. Can somebody find that? Someone knows about it. I'm talking about Bradford Bueller. Somebody. Yeah, this is ugly. This is disgusting, man. You're currently out of support, I guess. Let's do our fibs, I guess. Whatever, man. This is a no trend coin. It's like Dogecoin. You buy down here, guys. Wonderful level to buy. Set an alert up at 49,000 Satoshis. That video is cancer. Yeah, man, it's terrible. So with this stuff being said, man, if you want to find good value, you buy down here, right? Anywhere around this level, this area. Set an alert up, buy it, hold it till it peaks up, and sell up here somewhere. Unbelievable. So yeah, I don't know. With the measure move down, man, like it's kind of choppy here on the 4 hour. Let's go to 1 day and see if we can get a better swing high, guys. If you're ever confused about swing highs and swing lows, just zoom out. Just go to a more significant time scale, and that would see this helps us. This makes me know that we can measure up here because this is the beginning of the. Okay, yeah, dude. I clicked on it. I double clicked. No, I didn't double click. Hey, a new mouse comes with a computer, guys, so I can literally throw this. I can take it outside and destroy it. Okay? I can literally destroy it. Oh my god. What in the... Are you kidding me, man? Mini USB? What? Guys, I've never... What happened? Where did... Wow, man. It was a sign from the gods. It was a sign from the Jesus, man. Alright. Anyway, measure move before we were rudely interrupted by technical stuff again. Alright, that is 40,000 Satoshi bear pull. Are you freaking kidding me? 40,000, guys. There it is. 40,000. That's your measure move down. If we respect the TA to the fullest extent of chart law, we will be prosecuted to the 75,000 Satoshi range. My god. Alright, we'll see you there, man. Hey, it makes sense. Makes sense down here. It's insane. It's insanity, man. I might do that, Frantic. I was about to say that until I noticed that my mini USB was still inside of my mouse. I might have to do. I might just periscope, right, and make everyone tune in from there, to see me while I go outside and just bust this thing up. So that's it for BCC, man. Tragic. What a tragedy. It's a gosh dang Greek tragedy. Kaba. Alright, OneCoin. Wait. We got 3 minutes. We're going to do a quick OneCoin. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah. Broke out of that triangle, get confirmation. Everyone's like, oh my god, man, we did it. We did it, man. We're breaking out. Yeah, the ascending triangle. And you just got screwed. Getting confirmation is tricky, man. It really is. If you fail to break down, just expect there to be an amazing uptrend. Same thing with ascending triangles. If you fail to break out of an ascending triangle in a bullish manner, and you do this crap, expect a nasty downtrend. So what? We had our fibs top to bottom, hit the 50%, the 618, 786. You hit your measured move. Oh my god, are you serious, man? Are you freaking serious? Look at this. 58.91, 5900, whatever. Oh my god, are you serious? Michael, do you see this, man? Is it the Jesus man? Look where we topped out at. It's unreal, man. I freaking love it, dude. Do you not love this? Is this stuff not like just freaking amazing? Oh god, I love it. All right. Dude, unbelievable. So you pretty much, when you did have this, breakdown, when you hit your target, all the traders sold. You matched some of your highest levels of negative momentum that you've seen since inception, which is not very long at all. So I don't know, man. I don't know if we're gonna bottom out or just keep going. It's hard to say. Go the 4 hour, maybe. Guys, is that a cup and handle? Is this the real John Wayne Jesus man? I don't know. You get a clear level of support right here. You're not breaking that at all, which is nice. Okay, you got a little resistance zone right here, or excuse me, support zone. You better hold that. If you're in this, better have a stop loss below here. If you wanted to get in, honestly, you can buy down in these levels if you wanted to give it a shot to see if this is real. The volume is pretty insignificant. I mean, you see it on the break, right? You see it, but it's just so small. Kappa. So I don't know. You had this nice move up, and then you just get completely rejected. Hard to say. Your 20 crossed over your 50, which is nice. That's what you want to see. Maybe we're doing something like this. Maybe we are. Okay. Maybe we're not. Hey, man. Maybe we're doing it. Maybe we're being to Jesus. Maybe we're breaking out of this bull flag. You never know, man. You never know. Follow your dreams. Beefcake. Let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens. If you were to break out of this, let's say this was a bull flag and you broke out of it, guys. We're getting stream sniped, okay? Getting freaking stream sniped. Gotta get rid of it though. You all saw it. You were all witness of this consecration of incredible, beautiful TA being respected once again. It's time to put it to rest so we can set another measured move up. If we in fact broke out of this, that measure move, I mean, it's hard to say. You want to start on here or here? My God, man. I mean, I think honestly it's right here. $5,000 be your range. Somewhere around this area, okay? That'd be your measure move. You broke out to the upside for Juan coin, okay? So we'll see if we can reach target, man, like the Jesus man. Okay, man, time to go to Bitcoin. Your top of the hour here. Local on the 8s. Guys, here it is. Guys, here it is. 4-hour candle just opened, man. We're about to start busting it. Broke out. I mean, you don't have confirmation by any means because this candle just opened, but nevertheless. Okay, on the 1 hour though, it's showing that you're still below it. What do we talk about, guys? We're breaking out right now. We are breaking out literally as we speak. It's happening, and it's probably going to be nice. It's probably going to be real nice. Yeah, we get stream sniped all the time, Scary Terry. We talk about measured moves and all that, and all of a sudden, man, it plays out the way we think it will. And we just talk about getting stream sniped by whales, Scary Terry. Hey, Johanna. AUR. I don't know what that is, man. I don't know if anyone's ever even asked me what that to analyze that. So it may not be on TradingView. I have a bottle of good whiskey with John Wayne on the front. Like to Jesus, man. What's up, Popcorn? Will it recover within 10 months? It's speculative. It's hard for me to answer that. Look, trading and TA, really, it's not very hard to figure out the long-term run of the coin, where it's possibly going to go in the long term based on its overall chart pattern, its history. It's not the most difficult thing in the world to figure out what's going to be happening in the next few days. But when you start talking about that mid-term range, that is the most difficult. It's pretty much impossible to let you know because there's so many variables at play. So many things could change. What happens if a world government comes out and says something about crypto, something about the cartel, something this, something that, banning this, North Korea that. Well, all of a sudden, more FUD, prices break down more. You see what I'm saying? Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Don't buy on breakouts ever. If you value your money, don't buy breakouts. Hey, that's fine though. It's fine. Just see what happens. We'll set an alert up so you won't miss a thing in here. Great levels of positive momentum. Not bad at all, man. Not bad at all. Okay. So this Bitcoin, man, having trouble right here. Getting froggy, man, getting antsy. That's a good sign. You came down here twice, tested these levels. There were no sellers, so then guess what? The bulls took over. It might be taking over once again. Just depends on how disgusting this sell wall is. If there's too many sellers here, then you're gonna break down to lower prices. Sure. I mean, it's the absolute worst place to be a buyer, though. I'll tell you that. Absolute worst place. Just because critical levels of resistance. Places historically that this downward sloping trend line where you have failed miserably. But maybe this is it. Maybe this is the time that is the charm. Maybe this is the Jesus time. We'll see. Let's go to Litecoin. Here we go, man. Not much has changed. Really bullish RSI. Right now, man. As you can see, well over 60 on the RSI. Wonderful. That's the stuff you want to see, man. When's the last time? When's the last freaking time we were over 60 on the RSI on the 1 hour? The 23rd of March. It's been a while, right? It's been well below it the entire time. So yeah, man, running. Let's run with the bulls, man. Okay, good looking stuff. You're probably gonna come up to this level, 122. You're probably gonna see that. Based on price action, supports, resistances. You don't have a real one. You don't have a very strong one that much until 122. That's when people will all sell off, or they might sell off here. Up at 124, 122, 140, 122 to 124 area is your your level of resistance that traders would sell. So, see what happens. Hey, what do we talk about? Same thing as Ethereum, right? Same freaking thing. Burp, burp, burp. Let's go to Ethereum. Are we breaking that neckline, man? Like to Jesus? Because Litecoin's breaking it. Guys, are we getting stream sniped? So look, I'll give you this. Though it is a resistance area, a resistance zone, a battleground for bears and bulls, you have broken and closed to that 1 hour candle above the resistance zone the first time. Every single other time has been a wick. This is a nice thing. This is nice to see that you're doing that. Let's move this down a little bit. There you go. Are we getting stream snipe, guys? John Wayne Jesus, man? We'll find out. Inverse head and shoulder stuff, breaking a neckline. Let's see, man. We got an alert set up on Bitcoin. We hear that beep. We know we are breaking out considerably of that downward sloping channel we've been in for quite some time. That's it, man. That was your local on the 8s. Go check out chat, guys. That's right, Jules Santana. Preach it. Spider to Bitcoin? Are you serious, man? I literally have not seen that spider since, man. I don't believe you. April Fools, Brendan. April Fools. Hey, Loot Patient. Good to see you, man. AST. Yeah, nice guy. This is probably gonna be a... We'll break out, we'll make lower highs, and just continue to respect that overall bearish trend that we're in. Yes, probably. 7,400, okay, you go up to 7,400, great. You know, even 8,000, does it even matter? You're still making lower highs. What's up, Chocolate Monkey? Good seeing you, dude. Thanks for being here. Aurora Coin. Interesting. We'll try to check it out. We'll do everything in our power, man. What a weekend, Web Advancer. Oh, yeah. It's been a weekend for the shorts, for the most part. But now we're starting to see some sort of turnaround, maybe. Drone broke Friday, flat tire Sunday, but now you're here. So all your worries and troubles, Web Advancer, they can all fade away. Thanks for being here. That's right, Web Advancer, you're due for some good luck. It's coming to you. The universe works in mysterious ways. You're just going through a little bit of consolidation right now. Soon you'll break out again. No worries, man. No worries. Be to Jesus. XVG? XLM. It's on the list. We're going to get to XLM. Hey, Jargon. We actually already did Tronics. Hey, Jargon. Go to our YouTube page. Hyped on Crypto, not Hyped on Crypto Live. Go to our main page. I did a lightning analysis on Tronics today. Okay? Go check it out. It's an awesome video. You'll get Verge and Tron. Tron is weird right now. Yeah, it's not good. It's more bad than weird. GXS, Maximiliano. Of course, anything for you, Maximiliano. It's one of our amazing coins right now. One of our Jesus coins. Aeon, Corey, Cardenas. Of course, man. Aeon. Put it on the list for you. Well, Crypto Late Bloomer, as long as you make the right moves, it's all determined on you. You are the whale of your life. You will be the one that manipulates that price, whether it goes up or down. Okay? Remember that. Rec, possible breakout, man. You're like 2 weeks behind. Rec's been like 3 nice trades. Heck yeah, Jargon, come back. See us. We'll be waiting for you. Hey, Ikori. I think it's Ikori. Ikori. Thank you so much for the follow on Twitch, man. You the real Jesus. We couldn't do that. You got any questions about TA? That's some in the chat in the Discord. Thanks so much, Ikori. Ikori. Not N-O-T. N-O-T. O-N-T. Got it. O-N-T. Did we do that? We already did O-N-T. Drew, just rewind a little bit on YouTube. And it's the third altcoin we did. Hey, Brian. Thanks for tuning in on Periscope. Happy Easter, Drew. MK Honey says, Bitcoin is not going to break, hook, and go. Much resistance at 7K. Bear flag. It 500 point drop to 6,300. Very real possibility, MK. You'll get a breakout, Web of Answer. Just keep doing the right things, and you'll be fine. Bull flag setting up for XVG run. That's what we would think, right? That's what we would think. We would want to see that with Verge. So look, not looking good now, right? It was so great, but now it's not. That's okay. Just hold the support. If you break the support, though, you might be in a lot of trouble. So just keep that in mind. This is not, we're not saying this is exact, but this is stuff you want to see. The price action you want to see moves up, not moves down. This isn't what happens during moves down. But then again, in a bearish market, dumps happen real quick, real fast. Okay. Next coin that was on the list was XRP. Ironically, I know people were talking about it. Someone was saying something about a falling wedge in chat. Oh boy. And it looks like to me, looks like we were to Jesus and respected the TA quite well. Thanks, Ray. Anyone? Does anyone remember when we were like, hey guys, be careful? Be really careful? Man, I hope you took heed of our words. Whew. Man, that's really bad, dude. Wow. Let's look left. Let's go to 4 hour, then look left. How about that? You know our next level is, guys? Bearish Hurricane. Guys, Bearish Hurricane. Just taking out this crappy foundation, right? Support you built, because it's still crappy. It's like, I don't know, aluminum, whatever, you know? If this is twig and thatch, then we got like aluminum, and someone help me out that does building stuff, something that's really shoddy and crappy. This is it. And so we chopped through most of it. I think our next level of support that we're really going to see is 68.43. But hey, man, I've been saying that. I mean, this is what I've been saying. I haven't been like, oh, dude, man, for whatever, XRP looks like it's due for an upswing, man. I've never been saying that, have I? I've not said that. We have not changed our consensus about XRP. The twig and thatch is real. This correction is real, making a disgusting downtrend. Disgusting bear pole, bear flag action, okay? The one day. I mean, my God, man. I mean, yeah, what you can call it a, you know, wedge. I maybe see that. Let me see. Let me draw it out. We talking about a huge falling wedge pattern? And okay. Thanks for the double click. I'll give my mouse something to double click on. Okay. We failed though, didn't we? We failed miserably. What in the world just happened, man? This trend line went to Jesus. What happened? Kidding me, dude? What in the... This is not a trend line, man. Give me my trend line. I've been hacked. Hold on. Wow. There we go. Somehow that got clicked. How in the world did that get clicked? Russians, man. That's what you're talking about, right? Yeah, I guess. I mean, like, just all the space here, man. Ugh. Let's take out this wick, man. Let's do something like this. It's a little bit more real there. We can do something like this. This is on the daily too, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Falling wedge after a downtrend signifies a reversal. But I mean, my God, man, stop being so terrible. You're just like, nope, we're not gonna do it, man. We're just gonna not do it. We're just gonna fail. Okay, man, whatever. I like this, man. I like the wedge, man. Wedge and like the Jesus, dude. So with all that being said, you know, it was like a false breakout of your wedge, and now you just fell right back down in there. So I'm not, you know, okay, so you break out, good luck, man, these market conditions with your wedge right here. It's crap. It's just terrible. All right, we're gonna move on. Looks like it. We theorized it. We're looking at it, guys. There you go, man. We did it for you. Did it for the real Jesus, man. LTC to BTC. That was someone requesting that, right? We said we'd do anything for them, man. Why did we use this again? What was the reason? My God, man, you got down to freaking 12. 12, guys, on the RSI on that previous dump we had. I think it was Thursday night, maybe, something like that. But hey, you know what? You're making higher lows. Maybe some kind of bull flag action going on. Hard to be sold on anything when you get so destroyed like that. But nevertheless, beautiful looking pattern, possibility. I mean, no big deal yet, but next time we make a high, it will be bearish divergence. And guess what? You know what your next high is, really, right? You know what your real next swing high is? Up here at 19,000 on this disgusting trend. If you can get back up here and break above that, okay, then we'll talk about some sort of trend reversal. But until then, you're still very much bearish despite any type of patterns you're developing off some sort of emotional breakdown, and you're breaking back up, making lower highs. You might break out of the upside again. But until, like, just like Cardano, it's like, oh my God, man, Cardano broke out, man. It's like, yeah, it's still off so much because of this leg down that we had. No way, man. I like this move here, but until we see higher highs, higher lows consistently, screw this coin. Screw this. Screw it, man. Remember up here we had the beautiful trade we sold and exited our position, the 50% the 618, and then it went up to the 786, and then burp, never saw these prices ever again at the double top. And then we talked about the bearish engulfing candle hitting all-time highs. It's like unreal, man. Unfreaking real. Yeah, man, you had some sort of like cup and handle crap, and then you broke out of it. I don't know, man. Best of luck to you. Let's see. We can fib it. Jeez. It's an insane. Think about your swing low to your swing high. Imagine this run, man. Look where you are. You've already retraced down. You hit that 78.6% fib level and just bounced off it like the Jesus, man. Unreal, right? Hey, fibs are sweet, man. Fibs are great. Now we have vision and understand why we bounced off this level, particularly because of our Fibonacci. That's why. Do I think we're okay? No, not yet. Things to consider, guys. Things to consider. Using this 50 as a friggin' resistance, man. Look at this. 50, man. You're like, oh, we're having trouble, man. We can't do it. We can't get above the 50, man. More than a second. XLM, True Bitcoin. Here we go, man. Still going, still running, still being to Jesus. We talked about the breakout can go off this little bitty level we had off the 1 hour. Still broke, hooked, and went. Man, freaking Dende, man, with $1,000 or 1,000 bits, not $1,000, 1,000 bits, man. Dude, thank you so much for that, man. Dude, Dende. Man, I thought you were doing the spirit healing stuff on Piccolo or Vegeta's or something like that, man. Why you hooking me up, dude? But they must be paying you big bucks to do that spirit healing. So it makes sense, Dende. Thank you so much for the bits, dude. You my boy, Dende. You my boy. Despite how green you are, doesn't matter. Alright, so, yeah, wonderful. Well, okay, hey, we have this level here, 3,041. We talked about it. Remember when we wicked off of it? We were down here somewhere. Gotta break above it. We're at key critical levels of resistance right now, okay? See, if you look left, you can see the body of our candles closed here. You have to break and hold this. If you do that, it will be monumental. It'll be wonderful, but you gotta hold it. You gotta hook off of it. Make sure it's a valid support after you break it. If you don't do that, you're coming down and it's going to be disgusting because you've tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times now. This is number 7. If you keep doing this on a significant time scale, the 4 hour, if you don't break this, you're gonna fall just as hard as you ran up. That's how it works. Something that maybe be promising, it might be, look how close we're getting. Our MAs are trying so hard. They're catching up with this, and the 200 is right around the corner. We could be, if XLM just keeps going a little bit, we could be seeing a golden cross in the future. But will we rise? Time will tell. That's it, man. Set an alert up. We set this here too, because now we have a resistance zone, because we wicked multiple times. Okay. So now we can see, stay between these areas. I mean, you really just want to break. Even if you, it'd be promising, it'd be more promising than what we're doing now. Got to break above this area, this little battleground that we're having between the Bulls and the Bears, man. So we'll keep our eye on it. I'm gonna set up an alert. But it really doesn't matter until you break and close above. Okay, you can break it. It doesn't mean anything until that candle closes. Okay. Man, best of luck on XLM. You break that, hold above it. We'll have another discussion. Then you got this downward sloping channel that extends to our all-time highs. That will be a very critical level of resistance. Hey, Gars Crypto, thank you so much for the sub on Twitch, man. You real Jesus, dude. We can do that, man. You got any questions about Tia? Hit us in the chat. Hit us in the Discord. Thank you so much, Gars Crypto. You Jesus, man. Thanks again, guys. Any contribution you make is only going to increase the quality of this stream. Thanks again, Garb. You Jesus, man. Okay, so we have our alert set up. We're not going to miss anything, okay, if it happens. Alright? We'll be alright. But no, sorry, I was going to zoom out and show you this, look, 1, 2 plot points, okay? We've been within this for quite some time. We had this downward sloping channel that we were within, and we had a little miniature one. Look, we're looking at the 1 hour, looking at smaller time frames. You see way more things zoomed in. But zooming out doesn't look that significant, but it is. So, they all play their part. So we're approaching that level. It will be insane. Will we hold? Will we break? Will we get the golden cross like to Jesus, man? We'll see. ADA. Cardano, man. Our wedge got respected. It didn't make the measure move, but then it came back up, kept testing this level, kept testing it, then broke, and then broke to the upside. And then we talked about these levels that we freaking respected so well. Look at that, man. Oh my God. We just have been unable to break to higher highs, which is okay. Look, do you see right here why we plotted there? We touched it 2 times and sold off. Guys, I'm talking about buying low, selling high. Guess what? Traders do it all the time. They normally look left to figure out what the best place to take profit would be. They did it twice here, like the Jesus man. Okay. So maybe what we're doing now, maybe, just maybe. You know, guys, you know I don't shill. We just look at it and kind of call it how we see it. Maybe we're seeing some sort of bull flag here. See if we can break out of the upside. If we do, it'd be a monumental run. And guess what? It would put us over the goal line for the prices we need to see some potential reversal in trend. So we'll let this play out, see what happens. Okay? Maybe have a bull run, bull pole, bull flag, but time will tell. Could get invalidated because we are currently making lower highs than our previous highs. Okay? But man, that's some nice looking stuff right here, guys. Look at this double bottom stuff, clean it up a little bit. All this stuff played out, except the measured move on that wedge. It's okay. But man, this double bottom stuff, beautiful. You're coming up, these same levels. You know what you might do? You might come down and test these levels just like you did here, and then make a measure move just like you did here. Symmetry. You might see a lot. Man, this is beautiful right now. This kind of stuff is exactly what you want to see for reversals. Man, that looks nice. See if we can keep it going. What? We made a higher low than our previous low. Wonderful news. That's what you got to see. But we do truly need to break above this 24.24 level, 24.79. These are our 2 previous highs. If you break above those 2 levels, we could very well be seeing the beginning of an uptrend that could be sustained and extend for quite some time. Okay? Something else is coming to us. We got that 200. We're starting to approach it. Our prices are getting there because we're not tanking anymore. So our 200 MAs finally had the opportunity to start catching up on the 4-hour, which is great. Let's see if we can bust out, make a measured move up. How we measure this? If we did break out, okay, guys, just do your measured move, 283 Satoshis. If this happened, and I'm not saying it will or it has, I'm saying if it did. From the breakout, we measured 283 Satoshis. There you go. That's your measured move. We're going to plot it so we can go back and be like, I told you so if it happened. Move if you break out of this bull flag. If it is in fact a bull flag. Just so happens, guys, that it's right here at the top of these wicks. Interesting, man. Interesting. This would be the place to sell if you bought a breakout, or if you were in down here. You'd be selling up here at 24.42. That's where. AUR. Our new friend from Twitch was asking about AUR to Bitcoin. Here it is. Bittrex. We've never analyzed this coin in our lives. If you're still here, my friend, we're going to do it for you. How about that? I'm going to check on chat too real quick. Well, John, man, congratulations on your birthday, man. The older you get, the more experience you get, man. The more you learn, right? The more, the petty things, those things that don't mean much, you start realizing how little they mean, and the more important things are, you start realizing how important they are, right? The older you get. So congratulations on the birthday, man. Cherish them. Did you miss XVG? No, man. Wait. No, we actually didn't do XVG yet, didn't they? We're going to do it for you, man. I go into work and you're streaming. I get off work and you're streaming. No, you did Jesus, man. K-Hole. Hey, Arlo. Thanks for being here, man. Jesus, man. Okay. Let's look at the one day so we can get a... I've never seen this before. I just want to see... Okay. Yeah, okay. Oh, my God, man. Oh. It's not so much an inverse Drake song. It's, I mean, it is, because we started from the top. Now we're here, right? I mean, this is totally a... inverse Drake song. My God. Man, look at that. Look at this value down at this level, man. You could have bought down here, dude. Knowing this, I've never seen this in my life. There's so many coins. There's like 2,000 now. I mean, let's just leave it green, man. That's like where you'd buy. May not go below that. So, you know, here's the thing about this, okay? You broke to the upside. Now, this could just keep bleeding out. It very well could. Look, if we look left, we see very predictable patterns, okay? See this? We had this spike, and we did nothing, bled out, found some, you know, found a bottom, found some value, broke to the upside again, and look at this pattern right here, and look at this freaking pattern right here. God, man. See this? Here, and here, this crap, man. Look at it. Look at this, dude. It's like identical. Look, it's like twins. You had your high here, you then made a lower high. You had a high here, you made a lower high. And then from here, you broke down and made this little crappy, weird pattern. You're making this crappy little weird pattern, man. You think we're going up, man? Probably gonna go flat for a little bit and then break down again. Do the same crap over and over and over again. Seriously, man. You had a on the daily. You did in fact have a golden cross. You really did. And that's nice. That's really nice to see a golden cross. But heck, man. Let's see. You know, the last time you had a golden cross, you spiked up and you literally had a death cross pretty much a few months after, and by that time you were already making insanely low levels. Like, just, I mean, the MAs are good, you know, but like sometimes in these situations they're not something you want to bank on right here. I don't know, man. Just keep your eye on it, but all I see is the same crap here that I'm seeing here. Predictable patterns are real. They're real, man. What's up, bud? What's up, Dan? How you doing, man? So, you know, if we want to, I guess, you know, we can draw some fibs or something. Not in a trend at all. Okay? Not in a trend. I don't even want to freaking fib this, man. I guess we could do this. Swing low to swing high? What? Dude, oh my God. Yeah, to swing low to swing high. You've retraced 50% of the way. Okay, Dow theory. Let's see if we can turn it around. If we can't, go into 618. If you don't hold the 618, see ya. Might be worth it. Have an alert set up at the 7127 level for a possible buy. set a little stop loss. I don't know, the wicks here, it stops everyone out, right? Everyone got stopped out here that bought here, thinking they were smart, and then it wicks right back up in the same day just to get everyone out that was trying to make a value buy. It's so stupid, man. So stupid. That's okay, man. So yeah, man. That's about a AUR. I hope you're still in here. I hope I didn't just do this for no reason, but hope it helped. AST. Had your wedge. You broke out, made a bull flag. You broke out your 50%. Here 618. That's it. It's over. It's literally over. It's over. Now look, I mean, yeah, okay. You are in fact making higher lows, but you're not making higher highs. Honestly, man, at this point, you know what it looks like? Kind of scary. Kind of like really scary. And you know what that looks like, dude? All wedges aside, all wedges done with the trade. The trade's over, man. Why does it do that? All wedges aside, all fibs aside. Can somebody tell me what they think this looks like? Scary stuff, man. You know how insane this is? And we talked about key levels over here looking left. You're still below your inception price. Maybe you found a bottom. Maybe you just keep it up. But hey man, just keep it going, whatever. You know, maybe you got some accumulation. I mean, you definitely got that going for you. You got accumulation going for you. You got this level here that you keep hitting, and you keep selling off every time. Maybe, just maybe, you have some sort of ascending triangle action, a little bit, but I don't think so. Really, man, what is this crap? This pumpy dumpy milk for my children thing? This is not cool, man. That was the trade. That was literally the 618 trade. Everyone exited and got out. So, man, you can disregard that as the trade. We know that's the freaking trade. This next one here, that's what we used, and then we had this pumpy dumpy crap again. You know, I don't know, man. I'd be very mindful that this could very well be a huge bear pull, huge bear flag. Gonna get wrecked, man. Like, seriously wrecked. Maybe. It's just my opinion. It's what I think maybe is the possibility of, okay? What happens after these breakdowns? You get consolidation. What consolidation do you get? Normally you get bear flags or rising wedges. That's it. Someone could say, oh, it's a symmetrical triangle, man. It's like, okay, yeah, it's also a symmetrical triangle. You can also have bearish symmetrical triangle continuation patterns, whatever. Right? You go that way, get confirmation on the breakout if you want to buy. But, guys, we've been going 1 hour and 41 minutes. I hope you've been enjoying this live stream. Y'all are amazing people. I wouldn't do it without you. Couldn't do it without you. Y'all to Jesus, man. Moving on to GXS. Our Butter. He requested this. Oh yeah, watch this. Golden cross, baby. Golden freaking cross, baby. Hey, doing exactly what we said we needed to. Holding above this level really well. Okay, just bouncing off this area of support we said we needed to, and we said consolidate, cool off, and get ready for your next run up. Okay, break to the upside. Break this 4161 area. You break and hold above this 4161 area, man, it's going to be an epic run. Okay, a really epic run. So be mindful of GXS looking great. It's one we've been raving about, guys. Wonderful job. You broke your first high. look guys, this is a minor inconvenience. When I get my mouse in tomorrow, this thing's going in the trash. I mean, I don't even know what to tell you. It just double clicks all the time for me. Thank you. So look, you broke this previous high, you held above it, you came back and tested it and used it as support. What once was resistance became support, and you bounced off that and broke to a higher high. You're now testing your previous high as support. That is wonderful movement. Another thing, highest level of volume you have seen since February 11th. Wonderful buy, wonderful money coming into this. Okay. Now we did talk about this, something to maybe be concerned about. We had bearish divergence since Pierce form, Class A. We had a high here, then we broke to a higher high right here, and we had lower levels of positive momentum. So that's bad, you know. But maybe that was just because we were overbought again. 73 on the RSI when this happened. We got a huge spike in negative momentum right here, but the prices weren't really that bad. Maybe we got this going, man. Maybe be the real contender Jesus, man. Hey, maybe so, man. If we do this, man, do you understand how nice it'll be? The breakout? I don't know, guys. I can't do it. I can't do it. The double clicking is killing me. It's killing me. Guys, looks like we have a bull flag, and we're gonna break out of the upside. If we do, man, oh my God, I'm not sure. You know, like let's go to the 1 day real quick. See, this is it, man. Dude, seriously? A measured move up will be insane. No way, man. I'll just be conservative and do here. Kind of conservative. 800 Satoshi move. If we break out of this bullishly. Say we broke out. Wow, okay, yeah. Good God, man. I'm just going on tilt, man. I can't do it. It's not letting me chart. Jesus. Just gonna do that. We're a little off here because mouse is terrible. Little dumpster. I'm gonna destroy this thing. That's your target. If you broke out of this, that'd be, I mean, I'm saying that'd be your measured move up, man. That would be it. And it makes sense. I mean, like, you break this level, 41.61, man, you're going up here. Looking great, guys. That's GXS. Yeah, it's a 4 hour, whatever. Okay, Aeon. Not stuff you want to see, man. Not stuff you want to see. We had a battleground area. That's not good. You're going to see much lower prices. Oh, yeah. I mean, you know, we're probably going to see. Let's see, man. Get the crap out, man. Get out. Are you kidding me, dude? Get out. All these wicks, man, saying, hey, buyers tried. They failed miserably. Hey, R. Melvin, man, thank you so much for the sub on YouTube, man. You'd really just do. We couldn't do that. You got any questions about TS in the chat and Discord? Thanks so much, R. Melvin. GG's, man. Move you made wasn't it was like an invalidated, it was like bearish consolidation. You invalidated it, you broke up here, and then you just broke down again. I mean, there's no measure move here. It's just more like, how about we do this? We'll do this for you, man. There's swing low to swing high up here. Okay, a little bit more short term. Still good. What are we doing? Oh, wow. Look at this guy. Oh, my God. Mitch, what in the world? Look at that. Learn your fibs, guys. Learn your fibs. So much vision. You're blind without them. The three most common areas where you see reversals, we never got that reversal to the upside of our run up. We never got that. So now we're just testing this. Probably just consolidating bearishly to probably see lower prices. I mean, that's it, man. I mean, now I guess we can get rid of our wedge. Guys, we respected the TA so well. I mean, honestly, we haven't even finished respecting the TA, right? This is all this price action is kind of, you know, worrying me. It's like 1,000 Satoshi measured move. Legit, man. 1,000. 1,000, dude. It's freaking right here. That's your real measure move. If you respect the TA, that's literally what the measure move down would be of that wedge. Unreal, man. We'll see if we get there, man. We'll see if we get there. I don't know. Sometimes it doesn't play out like that. But dude, that is insane. I just don't know why we would be wrong here. Just don't. I mean, this is the same thing as we've done it over and over and over. So. But yeah, beautiful bear flag coming right now. Beautiful bear flag. Let's look at the. Yeah, man. We don't even have to look at the 1 hour. This is pretty well developed on the. Hey, man, this is gonna be disgusting. We made our measure move down, guys. Hey, you know, we were just looking at that wedge there. Aeon, much wider wedge. Measure move 527-ish Satoshis from the breakout. 527 Satoshis. Look what we did, guys. We hit the measure move like to Jesus, man. Now we're creating a bear flag to set ourselves up for another disgusting breakout. Bear side. Okay. Be careful. What's up, crypto analyst? Guys, crypto analyst on YouTube, man. We're gonna be doing a live stream together soon. Okay. We're gonna be hanging out, shooting the crap. Ooh. Yeah, man. Yep. We said it was weird. We said it was a really weird cup and handle, so be careful, because it's an upward sloping flag. Dude, on cup and handles, you want your flag to be downward sloping. We emphasized that every single time we talked about this. We talked about the weirdness of it floating up like that. And now it's broken down. It's broken out. Look at, not only did it break out, it came back and tested that level, that previous level of support, now resistance. Boom, broke down. Now you're chopping. Probably gonna break down even more. Okay. This is why you have stop losses. This is why you have trend lines. This is why you draw things, so you can see what critical levels have been broken. So we talked about, hey, set a stop loss if you were in this. Set a stop loss slightly below this level. That's what happens, right? Yeah, another thing we also talked about numerous times on this analysis. You made a high. Actually, you made a high here with this level of positive momentum, right? Then we made a higher high, and we made lower levels of positive momentum. Then we made a higher high once again, and made lower levels of positive momentum, signifying Class A bearish divergence that was covered over and over and over. I hope you listened. I hope you're paying attention. These things don't joke, man. They tell us so freaking much about what's to come in the future. Patterns, guys, indicators. You know, I mean, it's not that complicated on our screen. We have Fibonacci, we have our MACD, we have our RSI, we have trend lines, we have our pattern recognition. We have all that. And none of it's overlapping. None of our indicators tell us, you know, something the same as the other one. They're all different pieces of data that we all put together to make decisions, like making a cake, right? We said that before. Okay, you got your eggs, you got your milk, you got your batter. What else do you have in cake? Icing, right? Icing. Look, guys. BTC break it down. Take a look at it, man. Yep. Coinbase. Yep. It sure is. The 4 hour anyway. Double topping our alert. Oh, see, our alert never hit. Look how close it got to our alert, guys. It could just never hit it, man. Inverse Jesus, man. Yeah, nice level of positive momentum, but again, you are in a very well established bear trend, okay? You're normally just going to be doing this, making lower highs, your previous high, lower high, over and over and over again, all the way up to the all-time high. So hey, crypto analyst, we actually already did EOS, man. It was the sixth coin we did. Bear flag it. You want to see the 1 hour? I don't know if I see a bear. Oh yeah. Okay, I think I know what you're saying. I think it looks more like a wedge, MK. Right, but are you talking about just all of this real? You're saying all of this, right? Hey, Chocolate Monkey. ONT was the third altcoin we covered in this live stream. Bear flag. I mean, what I see, really, what I really see. I mean, if you had another, like, plot point down here, I'd say a wedge, but you don't. I mean, like, look, you can do this. It's not very strong, though, of a wedge. See, like, it just, you don't get the touches. You know, you don't have the touches on the 1 hour for this being a wedge. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't get 5. But I think, you know, maybe what you're saying, maybe MK, is something like this. Maybe. And I might be wrong here. And that makes sense. It makes a lot of sense right there. See that? And now we're breaking out of it. Bear flag. It's kind of weird though, right? You know, here's your bear pole. Your bear flag. So, what we could do is measure this. Because you could consider this maybe the top. You know, one of these, maybe here. Here to here. $732. If that was for real, 732. Wow, that'd be like right here. Jeez, man. Are you serious? This is a support level we have too. That's crazy, dude. Measure move. Well, so let's just make this red then. Okay, that's the measure move down, 6,200. If this is if we follow the textbook TA, man. Scary stuff, man. Scary stuff. Yeah, I know the wedge is kind of tenuous. I don't think you have the touches for it, but it doesn't matter. I mean, in the end, you have enough touches for this freaking bear flag, right? So, yeah, you're clearly breaking out of a very steep upward sloping support. Okay, you had a very steep upward sloping resistance that you knew you were never going to touch. So, yeah, we're breaking it right now. And that's it, man. So, guys, it's top of the hour, but we just covered Bitcoin. But what I think I'm going to do, I'm going to get my spaceship again, head off to the moon. But, guys, I hope you enjoyed this live stream. If you did, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. I'll be back tomorrow at 3 Eastern. KGH, Carito, thank you so much for the sub, man, on Twitch. Nice guy. Myzella, thank you so much for the $10 contribution, man. Pseudo Idol, thank you so much for the sub on Twitch. Dinde, thank you so much for the 1,000 bits, man. Garsh Crypto, thank you so much for the sub on Twitch, man. But guys, just hold tight. Keep your eye on Bitcoin. We're in a very well-established downtrend, and based on everything that I've seen, besides the daily bullish divergence, Class A, that's the only good thing I see. You know, other than that, man, I think we might be in a lot of trouble, right? So, guys, be careful out there in the crypto sphere. It's a brutal, unregulated market. But you know, there's something that is regulated. The community we have every day and every night in this stream. So we're never going to BS you here. We're always going to give you the right information, the best, to the best of our ability, all based on TA. No emotion involved. If you want to get better at TA yourself, hit me up in Discord and do a one-on-one session with you. Just let me know if you're interested, okay? So guys, as always, and until next time, stay hyped.